What's going on YouTube? So today we have Wellue's Oximeter. This is a blood oxygen saturation monitor. Now hey guys, I picked up this oximeter here, and this oximeter is pretty nice. It has a lot of nice features to it, so I thought I would go over it with y'all, kind of show you some of the features it has. It does have a auto on and auto off. It has audio and visual alerts. Checks your blood oxygen, pulse, low battery indicator, automatic power off. It is a OLED screen, one button operation, and a pulse waveform display, which is pretty nice. It also has a lanyard and a little bag. It does actually come with the batteries in there, and it does have a user manual. Now, I'm going to get this thing unboxed, and I just wanted to talk about this. There is a free app you can download for Android, and there is one also for iOS. And it does, like I said, it comes with the audio and a visual alert, which is pretty nice, just to have both of those cues come up with there. So let's get this thing open and see what we got now. In this day and age, with all the stuff going around, it's pretty handy to have this. You just now more than ever. Now, this does come with a warranty card. I'm just going to kind of zoom in with it in case someone's lost theirs or they need to know how to get in contact with this company. This says contact us freely. Our support team will help y'all. And if you have trouble getting this to work, just contact them and they'll try to work through your issues. And it does kind of just show this. You got a lanyard hole, a nameplate, battery cover. Batteries go in, you stick your finger in it, and it starts to beep. It's pretty much that simple, but it does have a pretty thick manual. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of browse through it real quick, show you all what it looks like. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to kind of skip through some of the things and take a look at a few of the features here in the book. And in case anyone's really interested in there, there's a couple pages on here that are interesting. Shows you like the features and what all the description is on the screen and things like that. So let's go ahead and get this thing out. Now, I've owned a few of these before, but this one seems like it's probably one of the better ones that I've owned. This one will store your last 12 readings, I believe it is, as long as you keep the batteries in it. So I see there's a piece of plastic on there. I think I'm just going to go ahead and take that off. Not a big fan of the plastic over the screens. There we go. Now, if you're having breathing problems, they say you should check your breathing, using this, your blood oxygen levels 2 or 3 times a day. We just kind of use it if we kind of start feeling sick, and we're just wondering, how we're doing. We just go ahead and get that. That's one of the major symptoms out there right now, I guess, is if you're having breathing difficulties, you're supposed to get in real quick. Our doctor, just recommends we use that. Now we do virtual calls. This is PK Cell. This is a pretty popular brand among the Chinese companies. They use them in a lot of medical devices. All right, and it just pops in there just like that, and it clips on there. That whole bottom supports both the batteries, and it lets you know when you turn this on that it says finger out. So that's pretty good. Now there's as far as the technical accuracy of that, the doctor's meters, you're gonna be looking at like 2 to 3%, I'd say, as far as accuracy compared to the doctor. So this will give you a good baseline. Now this is very comfortable. It's not really recommended for someone that's trying to sleep, when the pressure it has on your finger probably wouldn't work, but you could use it for a long period of time. Now there's been just a lot of different questions about how it works and everything. You basically just slip your finger in. When you pull it out, it'll shut off on its own, so I just wanted to show you what this looked like. Now there is a lot of options. and you can set the different alarm levels. You know, I think it comes right now if your levels drop below 90, the alarm will go off, just to let you know, hey, you might want to check this or check that. Now here's the manual. I'm just going to kind of just go through a few things here. Here's the little menu setup. You hold it down, you get little short beeps, long press. You can change the audio cues in there. Also, this hooks up via Bluetooth to your cell phone, so if that's something that you're interested in, it definitely will do it. And there is some options there for it. You also have your iOS and you have your Apple, and if you basically have any newer type phone, it should work with this device. And you can also do real-time monitoring with this, and you might be able to send this to your doctor if he really needed to see it, but this is more of a personal type of assistant, just for you only. Shows you the ranges, the different options for your interfaces, maintenance, you just cleaning, troubleshooting, all that good stuff. Now here's the description of the symbols, and this is pretty interesting. I just wanted to really show you your PI levels, your battery marks, serial numbers. You know, it kind of shows you what each little mark means. So, you know, that is pretty nice to have that in the manual. Now here's a little pouch that comes with it, and it is pretty nice. You know, we keep ours in the bathroom. We just put it in the sink. And some people, when they're jogging or they're on a treadmill, they'll plug their fingers in, or they'll have that on there. This actually has a lanyard where you can, and it's pretty big, you can attach it around your neck and keep it on your, around your neck or around your device. You know, if you have a treadmill or something, and you can just slip your finger in there at any time and check your levels while you're running, which is a pretty nice feature. But I just wanted to show y'all that, I'll have a link below from Amazon on here, so you'll be able to pick this up fairly cheap. Now this has been my review on the Oximeter, OxySmart. Well, until next time, we'll see you later.